Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add gradient overlay on background image in Elementor. As you can see, I am into Elementor and here I am editing one of my web page of my website, and here we are having a plus option in middle of the screen to add a container. So we are going to click on plus, and here we are going to select the layout as flexbox, and in the structure we are going to select the first one, direction column. Okay, so container have appeared in front of us and right now it is vacant. We need to edit this container by selecting the edit container option just above the container, the 6 dot option, right? So we have clicked on this, and in the left side toolbar we have three settings: layout settings, style setting, and advanced setting. In the layout setting, I am going to increase the height of this container, so I have increased this. And now I'm going to the style setting, and here I'm going to upload a background image, right? So in the background settings we have selected normal, and in the background type we have selected classic, and here it is asking us to choose an image. I'm going to click on choose image and going to select any of the image from the media library. If you have not uploaded any image, then you can simply opt for upload files option and you can simply upload it from your system. So I have already uploaded, so I have selected that image from the media library and now clicking on select. Okay, and here we can simply again change the position of this image to custom and decrease the Y position a little bit. Okay, now I just want to add gradient to this image, right? So how I can do that? To add a background overlay gradient, I need to scroll down in the left side toolbar and there would be an option of background overlay. So I have clicked on that, and in the normal settings right now I am, and in the background type we will select the gradient. Okay, and in the color we can go for two colors, right? Color 1 and color 2. So I'm going to select the green color and the light green color. Okay, so the color 1 is selected to green and color 2 is selected to reddish color, right? Okay, and here we can simply change the opacity of this gradient as well, right? If it is too much dark, then you can simply decrease it, and you can also change the location, right? As you can see, red color is increasing towards upward direction. You can simply change the location. You can also change the gradient type from linear to radial. Right now it is linear. You can select radial, so green color will be shown in the center as a circle, right? And you can simply change the location. Okay, in the position section you can simply select center, center, center left, center right, top center, top left, top right, bottom center, bottom left, bottom right. These are the options, right? And in the type we can again select the linear, and we can rotate this gradient as well, right? So this is how you can simply add a gradient on your background image in Elementor in WordPress. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing course, then I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.